Good evening. These are your current conditions for Monday, June the 5th. Sunset at 8:33 p.m. Partly cloudy skies with a little bit of sun coming through. The current temperature is 81. 30% chance of rain. The winds out of the west-southwest around 3. UV radius 3. Visibility up to 10 miles. Humidity 63%. Tonight's forecast partly cloudy. Low 62. The wind's going to be out of the southwest around 6. Pop-up showers or thunderstorms is possible. 25%. The wind's going to be light and variable. Thank you for watching. This has been your Blackmon Forecast. Have a good evening and a safe night. Thank you.